Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are starting it off with Dixie on a daily time frame. And a few things I want to point out is that today I am looking for this 200 to break. And we will probably be closing over here at 103.50. If we come over there and hold it, that'd be great. I don't look for it to break completely down, but like around 103, 103.50, I'm looking for us to stop the daily close at. And then tomorrow, I want to see us actually come test back into that 103.80 and see if we can get back above it or not. But yes, today it does look like Dixie is going to be looking for a little bit lower today. And that should give us upside on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So trade that accordingly. Let me just quickly go look at a 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour wise, it's possible that we can just hold right here at that 103.60, 103.685 ish. But if we do lose that 103.60, I wouldn't be shocked to come test these low 103 and then use this as a sideways accumulation area and then upside, like confirm support here on the 4 hour. If you do get further breakdown, then obviously you get more upside on Bitcoin ETH. If you get a 4 hour open and close above 104, then I'd be looking for us to go test back into that 104.50 area and see if we can get above it again or not. That's all I can say for Dixie for now. Let's go to Bitcoin. So as I was saying, downside on Dixie, upside on Bitcoin, and that's kind of what we're getting. You can see that this bottom that we had that occurred after this CZ news was very, very bullishly engulfed the next day. We came back again, but like today we have an opportunity to come probably test back into that $26,700 area. I'm not looking for too much higher than that, but I want to see if we can close above 27K again. Closing above, like if we have another bullish engulf of the last day and we get to like 27,500 and we can get an open and close above 27,500 tomorrow with the daily, I would be looking for us to quickly eating this 28,400, $500 level and then going to the next level, which is around 30K. So this is basically lining up for us to try to break to the upside, but it all depends on if buyers step up here or not. If panic and fear or bad news articles come out today and you get a 4 hour open and close underneath 26,200, you should be very concerned of looking for the $25,300 bottom and then maybe even a little bit lower of a liquidity grab, possibly all the way down to 23,000 ish. So just be aware of that moving forward. I know it looks healthy, like this was a healthy correction for upside. This looks like a healthy correction on the 200 EMA for upside, but we needed to confirm by closing above 27,400. If you close again under this 26,200 today, it'll mean much deeper retrace. So as New York opens, let's see those buyers step up and bring us to the upside so we can get a 4 hour open and close above 27,400. So we can see if we can get back into that 28,400 second lower high that we had recently. Let me quickly look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour is kind of giving you the picture that downside is a little bit more likely into this $25,000, $26,000 area, $25,900, $26,000 area. And then you can look for some support there. As long as we don't lose the level of 25,900 on a 4 hour open and close, I'm not worried of attacking these lows. We can make a lower high here and then continue our path upside after a couple candle closes in this range. So that's what I'm looking for. I don't want to see us completely break down. I want to see us actually accumulate kind of in this fashion and try to break out in that area like that. If you would, you can use like a parallel channel. Either way, I'm looking for us to be accumulated on those little swings to the downside. So that's one thing. Let's move all this out of the way. Let's go now to ETH on a daily. So ETH, you can see, is trying to actually get up, but I do see a bunch of resistance here at the 1850 now, 1860 area. until we get that daily close above that 1850 level, and like technically above 1880 and then 1920, I'm not really looking for further upside right away. I'm looking for a consolidation to play out, kind of see it like this, consolidating in this fashion. So if it wants to come ziggle out and then come out, great. But if it breaks down, yeah, I mean, it's gonna use this as a resistance, come back over here, maybe accumulate, and then come back. So just be aware of the levels. Okay, I'm gonna delete all these doodles real quick. Cool. So yeah, aside from that, you can see that this little rounding action is occurring here, of the EMAs. And that's why I'm looking for this to just consolidate in this little area and then see if we get that breakout. If we get pushed to the next level, I'll look for that consolidation here and then look for the breakout. So you have two opportunities for a long scalp until the shorts take over for those lower levels. And then keep in mind that the long scalp is what I'm looking at, because a Dixie looks like it's going to lose to the downside. So you can look for that sweep up of testing into resistance of Bitcoin and ETH for a quick long scalp. So yeah, let me go to a 4-hour real quick and see if we see anything. So on the 4-hour, it looks like we're actually getting rejected under the 200 EMA over here at around 1860. The second you have a 4-hour open and close above 1860, you can look for us to test into that $1900, $1920 area and see if we can break above that with the 4-hour opening and close, looking for the next level of 2000. So right now we are consolidating pretty tightly, but it is on a higher low trend right now. After this swing failure pattern, we are getting higher lows, and yeah, let's see if we can continue the next one by coming up over here, coming back, making a lower high, and then breaking out further. Okay, aside from that, guys, that's all I really have for today. It's Thursday. A little bit of risk off mood will be coming into this weekend, because there's still a lot of uncertainty around what the government is going to do, if they're going to put a freeze on Binance assets, and exactly like how badly Binance is going to get it, including Coinbase. So yeah, with that kind of uncertainty, you don't want to keep all that kind of money in the markets. You want to keep it on the exchange. And if Binance and Coinbase, the two biggest institutions in crypto, are getting this kind of flack, what is these third-party exchanges with all the money on there going to get? You know, we got a warning that Binance is going to freeze some assets. You're not going to get that kind of publicity and warnings on like Bing, Mex, OKX, you know, BitGet, all those random other secondary exchanges. You know, the only true exchange would be a DEX, because the liquidity being lost on the DEX is going to be the fault of, you know, fear and panic, is a liquidity provider taking a lot of their coins off. But aside from that, DEX is probably a little bit safer because of the anonymity of not being able to target a company and shut it down, because it's decentralized on the web. So in the future, I'm thinking, forget this AI craze. I'm looking more and more into a proper DEX with enough volume that people can trade on leverage from their phone, from their laptop, anywhere in the world without fucking any problems from a secondary country's government trying to regulate it for taxes or to distribute their own digital dollar purposes, whatever the hell the reason is. I think in the future, if we can find a proper company to do a DEX, like how Bybit's got Apex, if the volume flows in Apex, then I'm going to be very happy about moving, transitioning from Bybit to Apex, basically, in the long run. So yeah, if you're interested, feel free to join us on our Discord server. We can talk about it more. Links to the Discord servers in the description of this video below, alongside all the affiliate services that I use and recommend, including Apex and all the other exchanges. If you like them, the affiliate code is there. Thank you for helping support the channel. And yeah, if you haven't already, leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates every time I drop them. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.